Hello friends, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by today. So in today's video we are making dry catfish pepper soup. Yes, I'll be making some delicious pepper soup with this dry catfish. I have a video of how to make or how to dry catfish in your oven. You can check the video out. And for this catfish pepper soup, I will also be adding or using some unripe plantains to it. I'll go ahead now and wash the plantains, peel and boil it. I'll boil the plantain until it is cooked for up to 80 to 90% because the dry fish is not going to take long to cook. When the plantains are almost cooked, I will take it down and then continue with the dry catfish. And here I have my dry catfish cleaned, deboned and added to the pot, and into it I'll be adding some ground pepper soup spices. I'll add also some pepper. Here I'm using what we call Cameroon pepper. I'll also add some crayfish, some garlic powder, seasoning cubes, and a little salt. I'm not adding much salt to this because the fish already has salt in it. It was dried with salt. I will then add the boiled plantain with the water and also add more water to cover the plantain and the fish. After that, I will stir everything together and we start cooking. We'll cover and transfer to the stove. While the fish is cooking, I've got some fresh scent leaf here. I'll go ahead now, wash and cut it. The catfish pepper soup has been cooking now for about 10 minutes or more. I'll go ahead now and stir it, taste for salt and the spices. At this point, the pepper soup is already tasting so nice and delicious. I'll now go ahead and add our last ingredients, which is the scent leaf. Stir everything together and we are done. I will allow it to cook for about 5 minutes more so that the taste of the scent leaf can enter the soup. And after that, dish it out and enjoy. This can be enjoyed with white rice, that is boiled rice. It can be enjoyed with agidi or even yam. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video for us. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Bye bye. I love you all.